Good evening, everybody. This is a stock market and crypto recap for Thursday, March 27th. I'm just going to go for a quick overview. I'm not going to go into depth for anything at this time. We're still looking for a daily higher low than 558.03. So we do have more room. We've now hit the, we've came close to the golden pocket on the way back down, but that we're still holding that. We actually still have a 5-cent gap that did not get filled yet. So we did. I'm seeing some good signs that we're decreasing in volume. It's kind of a doji indecision candle, so it didn't go. Not really leaning one way or the other. That's what we want to see when we're consolidating. And like I said, we're just looking for that daily higher low at this time still, and we don't want to lose the low of today and start getting into this gap fill or this if we fill in the gap and then lose this, then we have this whole area to play with. It opens up this entire area. Then we could be looking down to this 558 support level, which we don't want to be doing ideally. So hopefully we end Friday on a good note, positive note. There's important data coming out at an hour before the open that could definitely, there's a bunch of things that could definitely push us one way or the other. But yeah, we do have quite a bit of data coming out tomorrow morning, pre-market. So there's that to look out for. And ideally we see a push here and break the high of tomorrow, and set our daily higher low sooner than later. We are just going to be looking for a lower high on the way back up, a 4-hour lower high anyways, because of how much we did pull back. Actually, even a daily lower high at this point. And so that's kind of what I'm looking at. So NASDAQ, actually we're currently almost double bottomed. Oh, we actually did break, but with no follow through in futures. But same thing. NASDAQ just looking for a higher low than 19,602 in NASDAQ futures. We do have a little bit of elevated volume on this move, so caution on that. Same with the Dow. We're still holding the 12 moving average on the Dow, and that's definitely finance related. The finance sector is still getting a lot of new all-time highs. So 40 new all-time highs today, mostly in the finance sector. We've only retraced to the 0.5 on the finance sector. So the finance on the Dow. So industrials, healthcare, and finance are holding up better than the rest of the market and kind of lifting the market. We need to see things start turning around. SMH is still dogging us. So down another almost 2% today. We've broken the golden pocket on the way down. We are seeing decreased volume. Now we're just looking, since we've opened this up, we're just looking for a higher low than 210.46. So that's not what we want to be doing. We need to see a bounce and give us some hope that we're not just setting a quick weekly lower high and then right into lower lows. And it'll be important how we close tomorrow, or close our week out, because if we close towards the low, that puts us at higher risk of breaking down first thing next week. As far as crypto goes, so overall, we just need to hold the low of today, tomorrow, and during the regular trading hours to keep us going good. We're still in a daily uptrend, so we still have that on our side right now. We're pulling back more than we should be, and usually you want to hold the previous high. So when this broke out, usually you want to hold the high on the way back down. We're not out of the woods, and we're not clear. It's kind of indecision day overall. So for crypto, I'm just going to go over the top few names where we just saw a little bit more consolidation here. Actually, it kind of looks like a double bottom. That's pretty much a double bottom on the day. But we're still holding up fairly well overall. Yeah, double bottom. So now if we can break, or we broke by barely anything, broke by $20. So we're just kind of in this channel still, but if we can break above this, then we are looking good. And like I said, Bitcoin itself is holding up better than the regular stock market is at this time, which that's a good thing. When things are holding up better than the regular stock market, it could be an early indicator that we're going to do better, and we want more things to start standing out and being bullish. Ethereum, not the same story. We just got a breakout with not a lot of follow through. We're still looking for that daily higher low. It was just a very tiny inside bar today, very tight range. So look for the break of that tomorrow. XRP, still seeing continuation on our daily downtrend. We're looking for a daily lower high than 222 on the way back down, but having this daily trend change is going against us for sure. Now we've got a downtrend line to be worried about, and so we need to set this daily higher low as soon as possible, and then we're just going to be looking for a lower high on the way back up. Litecoin inside bar, just an inside bar day. Didn't really do much. We're just in kind of a little 4-hour equilibrium, so watch for the break of that. That will be important here. And I'm still watching this like a rising wedge. And BNB, I'll do that since it's standing out. BNB actually broke bull today and set the daily higher low. We're just looking for a lower high than 645.3, and we're basically a triple top at that point. So if we can break this, that would put this as a weekly bull flag, and that would then we're just looking at 679.9 after that, and we have a good case for hitting this or testing this upper trend line at that point. That's all I'm going to go over today. I'll go over a more thorough review tomorrow as I'll have more time. And holding the lows of today. We need that to happen, and then make a run at the highs. And the data coming out pre-market will definitely play an impact of that, but that's kind of out of our control. Okay, I will talk to you later and see you tomorrow. Bye.